Alright YouTube, so today I'm going to bring you a video about maintenance and taking care of your tires. Now, for one, you're going to need a Ziploc bag. End up like these. So, let me just go ahead and get some cleaner. I mean, you can use anything. I'll show you a few things I use. For one, it's hooking. So I want to shout out to It's Hooking. Shout out to Chris. I am now a team driver for It's Hooking. So appreciate you guys. I got this is tire cleaner, and I also have some prep. I have yet to use it. It's been so cold here. I also have cat pack I'm gonna be trying out. I will be doing how should I say this? A review on that cat pack. I'll let y'all know how that goes. Sorry about that, guys. So now, also you're gonna need a rag. Now I also use this as well. This is great because certain prep is hard to come off. Now this will work. You could also use carburetor cleaner. I mean brake cleaner. Sorry about that. Brake cleaner as well. But just wanted to just show y'all how I would take care of my tires. Now I had these sitting in the bag for a little minute. But you want to clean them, and it's like conditioning your tires basically, just to make them nice and soft, you know. So those tires has been sitting in the bag for a while, and they're like literally soft. These are reactions. They're pretty much brand new. Breaking them in, as y'all can see those grooves in there, breaking them in. Anyway, let's go ahead and use some of this cleaner, and then I think I have a little bit of this. I gotta buy some more. I gotta buy Chris and Dan some more too. There's my boys. But they don't want to put me onto this. But anyway, I'm gonna clean one tire with this, and one tire with this. Everything is different, and it works how you want it. You know, whatever works best for you. But this is just my little video how I take care of the tires. So I'm gonna spray some on here. All right. Now we're gonna same cleaner. We're gonna wipe this tire down with. Now, if you're running prep, you're cleaning this tire to add your prep to it. Now the brake cleaner, you would add that to your I'm trying to get all that dirt off of there. Now the brake cleaner, you're gonna use that to take off the prep. I wouldn't advise to clean your tire with that. Even WD-40 I've seen people use, liquid wrench. See how that's sitting there just like that? Even if I miss the spot, go back over there, wipe it down. You know, make sure y'all seeing this. Sorry about that, guys, but yeah, you want to clean that down right there, just like that. And what I would do is I would throw it right up in the bag, just like that. Now, seal the bag and leave it in there until you're ready to use it. If not, I would do that at least every so often if you want the tires to be nice and soft. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and try out the NAFA. So give me 1 second. Let me open it up. Now this works amazing for me. I haven't tried it cleaning prep yet, but it works amazing for me just to clean a tire. Now, see that tire? Make sure y'all seeing that. Put that up there. Clean this bimmer. See how it dries right up. Watch when I finish cleaning it though. Look at that. See all that stuff came off that tire? Now I wouldn't even wipe. I could wipe it. I wouldn't, but right now the rag is so grippy that the rag doesn't even really wipe the tire because it's just so grippy now. So I would leave this tire just like that. If you could feel this tire, it's like grip. It's nothing but grip. It's nice and clean. That's one of the best tires right there. Sometimes when I go to the line and burn out, people think I'm running prep, but this is basically what I'm using to clean my tire, and that's it. It just makes it nice and smooth to where you get a nice clean touch to the ground. So once again, throw it in the bag. This one I would leave like that. I mean, I could also, once I clean it like that, what I can do now is, since it's so nice and clean, I could put some conditioner on it. That's basically what that is, tire conditioner. Spray some of that up there. And I can wipe it down now. Get it real up in there. It's nice and clean, so just take it. Hopefully y'all seeing this. I got the camera set up in my stand. I haven't been looking over there. But clean that, just leave it just like that. Go right back into the bag. Seal that thing. Now I got a bunch of tires that I do like this. And then shout out to Charlie, because of him I really do the tire thing. I never used to keep my tires in the bag or none of that. But shout out to Charlie for that. He got me doing that. He also has me doing this. Only on my SC though. I take the tires off and I sit it on something. Every other car I have my tires on because I still have it sitting on something. So it's not really pressing the ground, but just on my SC I will take that off. And shout out to Charlie. He gave me that tip. So once again, look at this tire. I'm going to clean it just real briefly. Real quick. I'm going to clean it with this. And I'm going to shove it back in the bag. I definitely need to get some more of that. Race season is approaching. I got some stuff I want to do with the tree as well. So I'll probably make a video on that. I want to redesign my beams and stuff so I have less hassle and less time to reset it back up when somebody hits it. So bam, that tire is clean. I would leave. See, this is foam. So what I could do is just like that, I'll throw some heat warmers on there and get this tire cooking, be ready to grip. Now with air, on the other hand, when you use heat, if you put, for instance, if I put, I would say 30 millimeters. Let me get my gauge. I'll tell y'all right now. So, for instance, if I was to put, say, 60 in this, 60 millimeter, I'm assuming 60 whatever, 60 cc's or whatever you want to call it. If I put 60 in this tire, right, and I put heat on there, this tire will now go up to about 100, maybe even higher than that, because heat generates air. So my tire will swell up to 100, which is good in a way, but it's bad in a way, because now what happens is, as it generated that heat, and it gave it more air, maybe one tire will be at 100 and another one will be at 120. So now I got two different air pressures, which is not good. And when it comes out, which the air will be released, when it comes out, it won't come out to exact 60 again. It'll probably be at 20 or 40. So for me, I don't use heat with air. I will use heat with the foam tires. And those are just my little tips. I still got some more things I'm working on, as in tips and tricks videos, help people out as far as what I do. So now I'm going to take this tire, put it back in the bag. And seal that off now. Now we got two tire wheels sealed. Now these, sorry for the noise, but these are air tires. One of them is Voodoo's. It's just a destroyed tire, so I'm gonna end up taking this rim and putting another set of Voodoo's on here, and probably the same with the Reaction. I think the Reactions, one of them is leaking, so I'll just keep the tires, use the same valves, and have Charlie probably glue them up. I'll probably keep one set to do a video on it to try to help somebody out, but if not, I'll probably have Charlie do the video, give him the camera, have him do the video, and then just post the video. You know. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, I got some more valves here I can use as well. But I got tires that I just probably reuse. But that's the plan. So stay tuned for that video. We're going to try some air tires in the future. I don't think I'll do the Voodoos. I'll probably give the Voodoos to Charlie and just try the Reactions. Anyway, once again, shout out to It's Hooking. Appreciate you guys. And you guys stay tuned for the next tip video. And race season is coming. I will be ordering some beams. As of right now, I've been using these. And just to give y'all a heads up, what I want to do is I want to order a bigger set of a reflector, a big circle one, and have my beam to where anywhere it touches that, it should automatically read. And I don't want to just look for just this little beam, because then that draws time. Anyway, that'll be in the next video. Alright guys, stay tuned and thanks for tuning in.